Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fundamentals of technology, software and hardware. Let's start with hardware. Think of hardware as the physical components of a computer or electronic device. These include things you can touch, like your laptop, smartphone, keyboard, and mouse. Hardware encompasses everything from processors and memory chips to display screens and speakers. Essentially, if you can see it or touch it, it's hardware. Now, let's talk about software. Software refers to the programs, applications, and instructions that tell the hardware what to do. It's the intangible part of your computer system. Software includes operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux, as well as productivity software like Microsoft Office and creative tools like Adobe Photoshop. The relationship between software and hardware is like a driver and a car. The hardware provides the physical platform, like the car's engine and chassis, while the software acts as the driver, controlling how the hardware functions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.